Hey, hello, my friends. Rick Billings here. I'm just so amazed that there's over 30,000 people that have bought this done-for-you system. The Legacy Builder program is just the hottest thing that's on the internet. Now, there's a lot of stuff that's great on the internet, but I tell you what, this is a program that allows you to buy it once, and every time you refer it and sell it to somebody else, you keep 100% of the money. There's a credit card fee that you have to pay, but besides that, you're keeping 100% of the profit. So, I mean, this is amazing. The Legacy Builders program is just, it's $900. You pay it one time, then every time you sell it, you make $900, okay? And there are some big players. There are some big network marketers, affiliate marketers, and players that have bought into the system that are promoting it because it teaches you how to build social media. The whole program is based on the 30,000 people that are in it. It's all based on teaching you how to build on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, and everything. So if you have any kind of a business, network marketing business, affiliate business, any kind of business you want besides promoting this program itself right here, you can take, and it teaches you how to build other businesses. I just lit up the grill, and so it's kind of smoky back there now. I'm about to walk over here. I'm on the pool deck here. So, but it teaches you how to build your business online. And that's fantastic because there's so many people that are struggling with getting leads, generating income, and the Legacy Builders program can do that for you. So the link is in the description. Go ahead and check it out. And may or may not be for you, but I tell you what, you really need to know what's going on with it because it's a great program.